Hello, my name is Daniel, and I have a confession to make. Now, let me preface the situation with currently there's a heat wave going on, and I'm living in Central California. The temperatures are right around 117 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. I think that's 48 degrees Celsius. Now, I've been doing my best to combat this heat wave with going to the lakes and the rivers that are nearby, but there's a huge mistake that I'm making, and the sun is definitely winning. Now, that being said, I've been wearing my sunblock. I've been relatively good as of late in regard to using sunblock, but it's the beard. And with my beard, I can definitely tell that it's a lot more dry and brittle than it usually is. And in honesty, that's because I've been failing in regard to protecting it and paying due diligence in the upkeep. And what I mean by that is I haven't been using oils or balms nearly as often as I should, and maybe perhaps I should even stick some sunblock into the mix as well. But that is going to change, my friends. And that being said, I have a little extra motivation to help me with taking care of the beard, and that's boom! And I don't know if you can tell what this is or not, but it's something new. It's something exciting. For those of you that are looking for a scent, your scent, but you don't want to waste all this money with buying all these beard balms and oils and the different scents, you get them, you don't like them, we have you taken care of. Ba-doom, ba-dow. So what this is, it's a beard balm sampler. In regard to the difference between beard oil and beard balm, personally I prefer the beard balm, and that's because of one ingredient that differentiates one from the other, and that's beeswax. There's the form factor involved with beeswax, and what I mean by that, you put the balm in your beard or your hair and you can style in it, gives it a little bit of hold, so that's the form factor. But it also helps protect against dehydration and other elements that might be in the air that are, I guess, more or less hazardous to your beard. So that's one of the other benefits about it. But primarily the benefit that I like most is the form factor about it, because my hair and my beard get all frizzy regardless of whether it's dry or not. And so this beard balm helps calm down that frizz and make it look relatively neat, if that makes sense. But going back to this, so there are 8 scents with this. So super stoked on that. So like I was just saying, if you're looking for a scent, this is one way to go about doing it. Or if you just like to switch things up from day to day in regard to a scent, this will help you out as well. Now with these, they're just under half an ounce. I believe they're 0.35 ounces. So depending on what route I want to go with the Viking Storm, I feel that this has like it has more of a kind of refreshing cologne scent to it. So this is like a date night kind of scent. But yeah, I'm rambling. So hopefully this little sampler pack is going to motivate me to actually start using balm in my beard. And I'll probably, you know what, I'll have to get back to you on this as far as the sunblock in the beard. Whatever it takes, I'm going to try to protect my darn beard, because I can honestly tell right now that it's more dry and brittle than it has been in the past. And I think that's from all the excess sun exposure that I've been around as of late. All right, so that's that, the beard balm sampler. And they also have a cologne sampler. So these are new items, so check them out. Hopefully this will help as far as the motivation pertaining to me protecting my darn beard. And I'm serious about the sunblock. I'll have to do some experimenting to see if sunblock actually helps with protecting the beard and keeping it from getting brittle when you're out in the sun all the time. Yeah, oh, and in addition to this, there's also a new cologne sampler from the Beard Struggle. So if you want, check those out. I'll have them linked below. And we're in this together. Let's take on this heat. Let's protect our beards. Let's protect our hair. Let's protect our skin. Make sure and wear your sunblock. As always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing, maybe even informative? If you do, if you did, will you please give this a thumbs up and maybe even consider subscribing if you aren't already. Until next time, peace! We out.